What's going on YouTube? So here is episode 2 of the London session. So this was from Wednesday the 10th of July. So I'm just going to run through a couple of the trades that I took yesterday. Unfortunately both were losers, but that is the nature of trading, and if anybody says differently they are 100% lying to you. But anyway, let's get into it. So one of the trades we took was a DAX trade yesterday. So if I move back in time on the bar replay, and we'll go to just before 8 a.m. The market open. So analysing this market, if I actually go to the hourly, we had just bounced off hourly demand zone, not one that we took, had taken due to the fact that it had already been retested. So moving into the 5-minute time frame, looking left from where price is at the moment, nothing of interest down here, nothing really of interest down here to me either. The only area of interest was over here where these two candles exist. So drag that across the screen. Two basing candles, we've got a drop, base, drop. Moving into the 1-minute time frame, we'll need to adjust our zone to the edge of the zone. We can see here price has not really been retested into this area, so we assume there are a lot of orders left to continue and sell into the lows. So from this, we can assume that our take profit is going to be at an hourly pivot point. So if I press play on this, we'll get up to the zone. So it kind of tried to test the zone and failed. So that's the thought. That means to me there's a lot of orders up here. So we keep moving on, and we got our first bear candle from the zone. Nice rejection candle, and I place a short position just like this. But unfortunately, it took us out pretty quickly. So that was -1 hour on that trade, but not to worry. Second trade was on NZD USD. So this was actually a zone from today, Thursday's London session, but price didn't get there. Moving back in time to Wednesday, just before 8 o'clock. You can see here price had taken a dump overnight, absolutely smashed some lows, but nothing that we can do about that. I was originally looking at this zone here, but going into the 1-minute time frame is a little bit choppy. You see here, it's not really that kind of nice distribution. It's kind of a sideways distribution, which isn't my favorite thing to trade. But I'm pretty sure this did work out quite nicely. Yeah, as you can see, that smash lows. So we see here a zone created there on the 5-minute time frame, 1, 2, 3 basing candles. Zone created here, 1, 2 basing candles, and another zone created in here as well. So this is the one I took because it was before 10 a.m. So I placed most of the trades between 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. in the London session. So moving to the 1-minute time frame, you can see here we've got a really nice distribution. Only issue with this trade was price had already dumped a ton overnight and also through the London session. So there's a potential that people are taking profits, and also there are a lot of orders below because potentially price is now cheap to buy New Zealand dollar. Then it doesn't take away from the fact that we got our setup. So tried to sell under here and stops above there, and our take profit was down here at the hourly pivot point. So I was in this trade for, I can't remember actually, probably a couple of hours. The price was just pissing about at the zone, didn't really go anywhere, and then obviously got a flood of buyers in the market and took us out at another -1 hour. So not the best day yesterday. Hoping for a better day today. Currently in a gold trade. Hopefully that will make its way to take profit, but you never know in the market. We'll see. So yeah, those are the trades for Wednesday, 10th of July. Hope you enjoyed. Give us a subscribe, like, comment. Tell me your thoughts on how you're trading the markets. Yeah, see you tomorrow.